Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Format Background in PowerPoint. To begin, right-click on any empty area of your slide to open the context menu. From there, simply select Format Background to reveal the dedicated pane on the right side of your screen. This pane is your central hub for customizing the visual foundation of your presentation, offering a range of options to suit any design need. First, let's explore Solid Fill, which allows you to apply a single, uniform color to your slide. You can pick from a palette of standard colors or define a custom hue using RGB or hexadecimal values. Next, Gradient Fill lets you create smooth transitions between two or more colors. Adjust the type, direction, and angle of the gradient for a truly unique visual effect on your slides. Moving on, you can use a picture or texture fill to add visual interest. Insert an image directly from a file on your computer, paste one from your clipboard, or even search for online pictures. For a different feel, apply one of the many built-in textures, such as canvas or denim. Lastly, Pattern Fill allows you to select from various repeating designs, using two colors to create a distinct background. Once you've selected your desired background, you have the flexibility to apply it to just the current slide or to all slides in your presentation. If you ever want to start fresh, simply click the Reset Background button to revert to the default white background. This makes experimenting with different looks incredibly easy and risk-free. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees Black Ice air fresheners for your car, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.